Hi everybody, welcome to week number 2 in American Democracy and Citizenship. I hope you had a good first week of classes. This video is just going to go over the week, but also to kind of reassure some folks and also a couple things to cover. So this week we'll be in chapter 2, as my computer pulls it up. And you can see I've got the PowerPoint up and the summary and discussion posting. I'll post the exam on Wednesday at the latest, so you guys can start on that if you want to. I do want to go to the discussion question just real quickly with you. And basically this week I'm asking you to talk about the idea of different types of democracy. I don't know if you're like me, but growing up I just always thought there was one type of democracy. But as chapter 2 teaches us, there are several different types of democracy. And so this kind of asks you to take a look at democracy from the perspective of pluralist and majoritarian models as you consider exactly what democracy is. So if you have any questions about that, just please let me know and I'll be glad to help you out. One other thing I did want to point out is last week in week 1, let me pull this back up here. Sorry, connection's a little slow tonight. In week number 1, you had a pretest. Now, while it does not count against you, I do need you to take the pretest for my own purposes later on. On top of that, the pretest will be a way for me to determine whether or not you might receive some bonus points at the end of the semester. If you're taking the pretest, I'll be more than happy to help you in terms of your borderline grade. If you haven't taken the pretest, well, then you haven't completed all the work in the classes, so you're kind of on your own. But please do complete that pretest, again, as it helps me out with some things, but also it can help you out in the future. The second thing is this I want to mention. I know some of you don't have your textbook yet, and that's fine. Don't worry about it. Week 1, as you can see here, is still open. It will be open until Sunday night, just like week 2. It's going to open it late for a longer period of time. I will, but I know some of you have had problems getting your textbook. Please don't panic. You guys, as soon as your textbook in, you can start working with the first 2 chapters, and then once we get to the first 3 chapters, we'll have a more steady schedule. But at least for time, try not to panic. Don't rush through anything. Get your book in and begin to work. On Wednesday, I will post a short lecture using PowerPoint to kind of highlight some key things. Hopefully it will help you as you prepare for your test. If you have any questions, again, please let me know. You have my email, my phone number, my office location, syllabus. Reach out to me if something that's come up. Hope you have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.